Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. We have 2 users left, Steve Weeby Beeby Railfan Productions and Rusty Rail Productions left. They both come in with great lists of questions. Thank you, gentlemen. Um, Steve Weeby Beeby reminds me he changed the name from his channel to Railfan Productions. Thanks for letting me know. And he has a few for me. The new Ready and Northern F units, the scheme actually almost looks identical to the NS scheme, with just the exception of maybe a couple of minor differences, but that's about it. Which longest route on Amtrak is your favorite out of the ones he's got? The Southwest Chief and the Sunset Limited. The Sunset Limited has a soft spot in my heart due to the 1993 disaster of the Sunset Limited and also the 1995 disaster that happened out there in Arizona. And the one in 93 happened in Mobile, Alabama. Have you heard about Alexander Railroad number 6 moving to Newton, North Carolina? No, I didn't, but I gotta look into that one. Favorite shoreline in North Carolina: the Aberdeen and Rockfish and the Aberdeen, Carolina and Western, the ACWR. Thoughts about Rail Annis in Bluefield, West Virginia? That is on my list to do. I've been wanting to go back up there. I want to go up there for a while now, so I really want to go back. Her East Broad Top Railroad coming back. Yes, I did read an article about that on Facebook. That's going to be a really good move. Going back to the long distance route, for some of you that may or may not know, the bridge where the Sunset Limited derailed in the Mobile River, that was an old L&N bridge, and it used to be a swing bridge. Then they cabled it shut, and then they just made it just an unmanned bridge. I don't know when CSX actually did that, but that's a bridge that spans the Mobile River. It was a swing bridge, and that barge just hit that bridge, and then of course all the train derailed, and that killed 47 people. And that has been a really big hit on there on Amtrak at that time, and still is a hit today because that was a very bad disaster. Uh, as we commemorate, I believe it was 25 years ago in 2018. So, I mean, it was a good long time ago, but the scars of that accident remain in American railroading history because that was a very sad day, not only just for Amtrak, but for American railroading. Just thought I would point that out there for a minute. And Rusty Rails Productions concludes this Q&A with a couple of questions. Favorite wheel arrangement on a steam locomotive? 484. The nicest sounding whistle and horn to you? I like the whistle on 611. I also like the whistle on the 4014. For diesel horns, RS3L, RS5Ts. For Nathan's, it's the M5s, the P5s, P3s, and the K5LLA. The K5LAs are good, but sometimes they just get a little bit old. But the K5LLA on the SD70 ACE is one of my favorite newer Nathan horns, like P5, P3, and M5s. Oh yeah, I love those just because they're the old time Nathans, and a lot of those are still around today. So that concludes this month's Q&A prompt and responses. I would like to thank each and every user for contributing to this. This was awesome. Cannot wait for you to come back for more. There are some changes that will be coming to the Q&A starting tomorrow, March 1st. I am no longer going to be talking about it. It's going to be a video that actually lists all the rules just to help save me a little bit of time. So Marches through Julys are done, and they're scheduled to come out at the first of those months at their scheduled times. Please bear in mind the fact to read the video in its entirety before asking questions, because there might be a rule change in there at some point. I'd like to thank everybody for watching my latest premieres. I've got another one coming out tonight at 8 o'clock to finish up on the Old Southern. And March 1st, which is tomorrow, marks my 5-year anniversary on YouTube. I will be doing a thank you video on that. So anyway, that is all for now. March 1st Q&A prompt will be out soon. So please, when it comes out, Look at the prompt and start asking questions, guys. I love to see when people are asking me questions and they're continuing to come back to ask more. So that is awesome there. So I want to thank everybody for that, and thank you guys for subscribing and liking all my videos and dropping comments down below. And lots more videos are coming soon, guys. All right, guys. Peace out and may God bless.